Welcome back to ORG AutoCar, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and first looks at the most exciting cars from around the world. If you're passionate about next-generation automotive technology, futuristic design, and performance innovation, you're in the right place. So let's dive straight into today's spotlight, the brand new and officially unveiled 2026 Audi Concept. Audi has always been a symbol of precision engineering and cutting-edge luxury, but with the 2026 Audi Concept, the company takes a bold leap forward into the future of mobility. This car is not just about style and power, it's about Audi's vision of blending sustainability, advanced AI-driven systems, and unmatched performance into a single machine that redefines the idea of a modern vehicle. The design of the 2026 Audi Concept is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment you look at it, you can tell that it represents the next evolution of Audi's design language. The front features a reimagined version of Audi's iconic single-frame grille, now sleeker and more futuristic, paired with ultra-slim LED and laser headlamps that create a striking visual signature. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, giving the car an aerodynamic silhouette that not only looks stunning but also improves efficiency. The frameless doors, retractable handles, and floating roofline all add to its futuristic appeal. Step inside, and the interior takes luxury to an entirely new level. The cabin of the 2026 Audi Concept is designed as a digital lounge, offering a mix of high-quality sustainable materials and the latest in user-friendly technology. A panoramic digital cockpit surrounds the driver with curved OLED displays, haptic feedback controls, and a fully customizable interface powered by Audi's latest AI system. The interior lighting adapts to the mood of the driver and passengers, creating an immersive environment. And for rear passengers, lounge-style seating with autonomous comfort features ensures this isn't just a car, it's a first-class travel experience. But Audi hasn't stopped at design and luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Concept is built on Audi's next-generation EV platform. It's fully electric, offering a dual-motor setup that delivers breathtaking acceleration while maintaining perfect balance with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. With a projected range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge, fast charging capability that can top up to 80% in less than 20 minutes, and cutting-edge solid-state battery technology, this car is ready to push the limits of what electric mobility can achieve. The 2026 Audi Concept also comes packed with advanced autonomous driving features. Level 4 autonomy allows the car to handle most driving scenarios on its own, while giving you the option to take control whenever you desire. Audi's advanced sensor and AI system ensures top-tier safety, real-time traffic adaptation, and even predictive route planning to optimize energy use. The official unveiling of the 2026 Audi Concept marks a milestone for Audi and for the automotive industry as a whole. It's not just a car, it's a bold statement of the future, where innovation, performance, and sustainability work hand in hand. That's all for today's first look at the stunning 2026 Audi Concept. Make sure to subscribe to ORG AutoCar for more exclusive updates on the latest cars, concepts, and automotive technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.